Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will present you with 27 quick Christmas crochet gifts. This is mainly focused on women recipients, but some projects can be unisex. Some patterns are free, some are paid, and I have linked to the YouTube video tutorial whenever possible. You can find all the links in the description below. These are all super quick and super easy crochet gifts you can make, and most of them require less than an hour of your time. Even if you are a slow crocheter, you can whip any of them in an afternoon, so they are great as a last-minute gift. Let's start with crochet slippers. Both of these patterns are easy and fast to make. The first can be a stash-busting project, while the second one requires a specific type of yarn for sturdier slippers. Moving on to crochet kitchen items. In this category, you can find anything from hot pads to dishcloths and dish towels. All of them are quick and easy to make while very useful and practical. The next category is for the book lovers out there. I bet you all have a friend who carries a book anywhere and loves to read. Crochet bookmarks can be a great stocking stuffer or even a teacher's gift. They are quick to make and require a small amount of yarn, so no need to shop. Just browse your yarn stash. Crochet cup cozies can be a great gift, even to people you don't know well. Most of us drink coffee or tea, or some kind of beverage we carry around with us. These crochet cup cozies can be made in about 15 minutes, so you can make a bunch of them as stocking stuffers. They also sell great at craft fairs as low-ticket items. Moving on to crochet headbands. Headbands might not be for everyone, but they are great gifts for children and young women. Well, young at heart at least. Since usually women combine different headbands with different outfits, one can never have too many. Continuing with the practical crochet gifts, coasters are one of them. The patterns are so easy, you can probably make a set of 6 in an hour or less. You can use the same color for a neutral effect, or be playful and make each one in a different color. They make great housewarming gifts too. With only 3 categories left, we are moving on to crochet hair bows. Again, this isn't for everyone, and I would target little girls and young women to gift them to. These small crochet bows can be tied in an elastic or glued on a hairpin, and they look adorable on girls. With the indoor plant movement getting stronger every year, we have many people who need a plant cozy. These are like small baskets that cover the pot and give a beautiful look to an already beautiful plant. My mind was blown, though, when I discovered those air plant cozies. Air plants make great gifts even to people who usually aren't great with plants. You can buy them the air plant and gift it along with its cozy place. How cute are they? I saved for last the crochet basket category because there are so many to choose from. You have hanging baskets, crochet doorknob baskets, nesting baskets, oval baskets, and the list can go on. The time spent on these will depend on the basket size you are going to choose, and if you are going to gift one or multiple baskets to the same recipient. But some can be quick and make great gifts, especially for the organization lovers out there. That was all for our quick crochet Christmas gift ideas for you. You can find all the links down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet inspiration and easy crochet tutorials. Do you have a favorite quick crochet gift that you always make? Comment below, so I will know you stuck till the end. And personally thank you for watching my entire video. Thanks for watching. Bye!